Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you this pretty look which I filmed for the Newlywed makeup look. If you want to see how I create this peachy look, then please keep on watching. I am going to start my face with moisturizer, which is vitamin E intense cream from the Body Shop. Now I'm moving on to the primer, which is MAC prep+prime luminous primer. This is for the brow. I'm using MAC Deep Brow Brunt shade for my eyebrows. Using this angular brush to fill in my brows. This color is so pretty. It's like a deep dark brown shade. I'm just quietly filling my brow in with this gel. I always take time to fill my brows in nicely because brows are the game changer. You can see the difference literally. Now I'm going to do my second eyebrow. Just filling it in. Now this is the brow gel from Benefit. It's Gimme Brow in number 3. Now I'm using my eye primer, which is from MAC again. This is called Paintrly. I'm just putting the primer with this flat kind of brush on my eyelid. Just blending it nicely. Now I'm using this brush to set the primer with the powder. I'm taking here the Mercier setting powder. Here I'm using my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. It's in the rose gold. Now I'm using this shade from the palette and putting it on my crease. The same I'm doing to the other eye. I'm using this burgundy kind of shade on my outer corner of my eye. And just darken up my outer corners with this color. Just using the circular motion, going upwards. Now I'm using my Urban Decay palette and using this pretty peach color for my eyelid. This color is so pretty. I'm not sure if camera is catching that, but this color is super pretty. For the inner corner and my brow bones, I'm using this gold shade from the Urban Decay palette. Now I'm using my eye pencil. I'm putting it for my eye and I'm doing my eyeliner as well. This is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp eyeliner. Now I'm curling my eyelashes and today I'm going to use my eyelash, which is from Fox 3D Mink Lashes. Just showing it how I'm applying my lashes. Anyway, I'm gonna make a separate video as well. Now I'm applying my mascara. This is from Loreal. Today I'm using my favorite Nars foundation. I'm just putting the dots everywhere on my face and blending it in with the damp beauty sponge. My beauty sponge is from Real Technique. I'm putting it on my neck as well. I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in a lighter shade because I'm going to highlight that area, my forehead, my nose, my under eye area. I'm going to blend this one with the same beauty sponge. You always make sure your beauty sponge is damped. Here I'm using my Laura Mercier's loose powder again to set my under eye area. I'm just kind of baking my under eye area. Here I'm using my MAC Pro Conceal and Correcting Palette. I'm using this color right here for my contouring. Putting it on my cheeks, on my forehead. on my jawline. And on my nose. Now I'm using my setting spray so that I can blend this cream contour nicely. I'm using the damp beauty sponge again and just blending it out where I put my contour in. Now I'm using this brush to blend my nose contour. I'm using my Anastasia powder contour today on the top of my cream contour. Using this kind of brush and blending it out. My cheeks, my forehead, my jawline. The trick again, I'm making my contour line sharp, so I'm using this setting powder. And now the eye area is baked, so I'm wiping it out with the fluffy brush. I'm taking again my Huda Beauty and using this brush and using those two shades for my lower lash line. Now I'm wiping it out, the powder, which one I used to bake. Using this Too Faced Love Flush Blush Palette, I'm using these two shades. I'm using peachy shade today because my eyes are peach, my lips gonna be peach. Now using this shade from Tarte for my highlighter, such a pretty color. This exact like a Becca Champion Pop one. This highlighter looks so good. Putting it on my nose, my cupid, my cheekbones. Using my lip balm from Sephora. Now I'm using this lipstick. It's like a nudie pink color from L'Oreal. Using this peach color from Too Faced, which is the melted one. I'm using this brush, lip brush from Revlon. A little bit more peach color. And doing the setting spray, my last step. I'm using this peach bindi to finish up this look. And using the sindoor today because it's a newlywed look, so this one is necessary, I think. So this is the final look. So my dupatta was peach, that's why I decided to go with peach makeup today. I really hope you guys will like this look. If you do, please like and subscribe. I'm wearing this bangles, which is called chuda in Punjabi, to finish up this newlywed look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks. Bye.